In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download One Medical. Let's get started by opening the Google Play Store on your device. This is the platform where you can find and download apps for Android devices. If you're not familiar with it, don't worry, it's very user-friendly. You'll find the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you have the Google Play Store open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type in the name of the app you're looking for. It's important to use the search bar because it allows you to find apps quickly without having to scroll through endless categories. Typing the app name directly ensures you get to the right app faster. Now type One Medical into the search bar. As you type, you might see suggestions pop up. This is normal and helps you find what you're looking for, even if you misspell it a little. Keep typing until you see One Medical in the suggestions. This will make sure you find the exact app you need. Next up, choose the One Medical app from the list of search results. You will see a few options, but make sure you select the official One Medical app. It's usually the first one listed and should have a recognizable logo. Choosing the correct app is crucial to ensure your safety and privacy. With that ready, tap on the Install button. This is the step where the app starts downloading to your device. You might see a prompt asking for permissions. These permissions are necessary for the app to function correctly, so go ahead and allow them. This ensures the app can access the required features on your phone. After you tap Install, wait for the download to finish. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. You can see the progress on the screen, and once it's downloaded, it will automatically install. Be patient, as interruptions during this step can cause issues. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. This action starts the app for the first time. Opening the app immediately after installation can be useful to check if everything is working properly. It's a quick way to make sure the app was installed without errors. At this point, you will need to sign in or create an account. If you're new to One Medical, you'll have to set up an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your details. If you already have an account, simply enter your login information. Creating an account or signing in allows you to access all the features and benefits of the app. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and opened the One Medical app. Remember, having the app on your device gives you easy access to healthcare services. It's convenient and puts healthcare management right at your fingertips. Feel free to explore the app and discover its features. Thank you for watching and enjoy using One Medical.